Hey, let me show you multiple tips what you can do if you cannot connect your headphones, earbuds, or for example any Bluetooth device into your Samsung A37 5G. So first of all, what I can recommend you, just simply go for the Bluetooth settings on your phone and make sure that you're gonna turn it off. Just for now, shut down the Bluetooth. Now, you have to go back from this one, scroll all the way down for general management. That will be second tip, go for the reset, and here just perform a reset of the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, there's no way to only reset Bluetooth, so you will be disconnected from the all Wi-Fi networks also, but in most cases it fixes a lot of problems with Bluetooth. So click here, now go back. What you can also do additionally, if it is not working, you cannot connect your device, you can just grab your earbuds, headphones, and try to perform a hard reset of your device. So in the most cases, you have to find something like a pairing button, or sometimes you have to click two buttons simultaneously, and you have to wait until the indicator starts blinking in the red color, or in some Galaxy devices in the red, green, and the blue. So it actually depends. And in the most cases, your device will enter for the pairing mode automatically. If it is still not working, you can just simply close the case, wait, and enter for the pairing mode manually after the reset will be complete. And right now you can just simply try also to restart your phone. Yeah, just simply reboot your phone, click here, wait until it will be turned on. Next, you have to go for this connected devices, for this connections, turn on Bluetooth. And now wait until it will start scanning. If it stops scanning for some reason, you have to click to scan again to force it. As you can see, still my earbuds doesn't appear on the list because I was previously connected with them. So now if I'm gonna select unpair, then as you can see they will be appears here and I can connect them. But sometimes you have to start this connection process not by using the Bluetooth settings, but by using the brand application. So I know that in the Samsung earbuds, this is something like this, that you have to go for Samsung Galaxy wearable application and connect these earbuds through the application, and then they will be available in the Bluetooth settings. So this is all my tips that I can give you. Let me know if you find it useful.